Welcome back to SQL Made Simple. So far, you've learned how to filter your data using comparison operators like equals, greater than, or less than. Today, we are going a step further. What if you want to be really specific, like picking ripe mangoes and pineapples, or apples that are either green or red? In SQL, this is where logical operators come in. They let you combine conditions so you can fine-tune your search. Let's meet the three key logical operators. The first one on the list is the AND, which means all conditions must be true. The second one is the OR, at least one condition must be true. The next one is the NOT, which negates a condition, meaning exclude this. Think of it like shopping with a checklist. Using AND means you want both apples and oranges. Using OR means you are happy with either apples or oranges. Using NOT means you want apples but not the sour ones. Time to practice. So if you don't have the database set up, you should have it by now if you'll be following along. So I'm going to switch to my database and we're going to work through some of these problems. So first and foremost, if you don't have access to the database, kindly visit bit.ly SQL Made Simple. So that's the link for you to visit. Okay, so we're dealing with the people table. So select star from people. Let's execute to get a full picture of the table we are dealing with. So now the first question is we need to find people who are from Ashanti and are farmers. So I'm just going to copy in order not to waste time. So what are we looking for? I want to select the first name, comma. I want the last name. I also want the occupation. And finally, let me check the spelling, occupation. And finally, the region. So this is what I want from the people table. So we need to use our where clause, where the occupation in this case is equal to the farmer and the region field should be equal to Ashanti. That's it. And I'm gonna end my code. So now let's run this and see the result. So you only got getting Kwame Mensah, who is a farmer from Ashanti. I hope it wasn't difficult. Let's continue with our code. So we finish with the end. I will just copy this, move on to the second problem of the day. So this time around, we are using OR to find the people who live in either Greater Accra or Volta. So Greater Accra can be found in our region field. So region, and I'm looking for Greater Accra, can be found in Greater Accra or region. So the region in this case being Volta. Volta. So I'm going to execute. So Greater Accra, then we have Volta in there. So that is we using the or. Now let's look at the not, which returns everyone except teachers. So I'm going to copy, then I'll come down and paste it. So if we are dealing with using not, then this is how we write the code. So where not, okay, and we are dealing with occupation, okay. So our occupation here is equal to teacher. That's it. I'm gonna clear this. Then I will run the code. So we're getting everything except teachers. So that is that for the and or and the not. Now let's take it a step further where we combine and or and parentheses or bracket. So let's look at how to find people who are farmers or traders and live in Ashanti or Eastern region. So I'm going to copy the code and I'll paste it, then we'll make the changes. So we're looking for the first name, last name, occupation, region from the people table where, so we're dealing with occupation, okay, from the people where, so we're going to use parentheses or bracket. So we've got two separate conditions we need to look at. Where occupation is equal to farmer, okay, or occupation is equal to trader. Then I will close it. Then I'll say and, okay, and I'll open a bracket, region, we are looking at region as well, is equal to Ashanti or, so let me bring my single quote, Ashanti or region is equal to Eastern, like that. So combining and or not, and or, and the parentheses or bracket. So we're finding people who are farmers or traders. So occupation is equal to farmers or traders. And, which is here, live in Ashanti or Eastern region. So let's execute that. Voila. And there we have it. So occupation must be either farmer or trader. So that is basically what we've done. And I hope this was not difficult. Well done. Well done. And I'll need you to keep practicing. So let's wrap this up with our workplace tip. Okay. You use parentheses to group conditions. This controls the order SQL evaluates them. The and has higher precedence than or, so be careful. Not flips a condition from true to false or vice versa. And I've got a mini challenge for you where you write a query to find all people who live in Greater Accra or Volta region but are not tailors. So I want you to use the or and not with parentheses. Then share your query in the comment section. So we see that logical operators help you get very specific with your data filters, just like having a precise shopping list. So in our next lesson, we will learn about a between operator, a handy way to filter values within ranges. Keep practicing your SQL skills are growing every single day. And I'm also reminding you, if you want to boost your Microsoft Excel and other IT skills, I am a certified authorized testing center and I can provide you with the needed resources. So check out certiport.com to read more about their programs. And when you're ready and you want to begin, you can purchase your vouchers, i.e., your Gmetrics, access codes, and other certification vouchers from my website at fitgh.net/shop. Thank you and see you in my next lesson. Do all to subscribe, do all to share, and do all to join our WhatsApp community group where we share resources and learn together as a community. Thank you. Blessings.